Okay, so you're on the driving test and the examiner wants you to do a 3-point turn. Now he doesn't have to say do a 3-point turn. He could actually say turn your car around here. And you have to know it means 3 points. So signal to the right, check the mirror, check the shoulder, get close to the curb as possible. Try not to hit the curb, alright, because that would be a fail. Then you signal to the left, check all around, you get all the turns in to the left, then do some more checking and it's good. So you go all the way over to the other side of the road, make sure you don't hit the curb, put to reverse, get all the turns in to the right, and it's okay to steer without moving. Just keep coming and you check like crazy, make sure you don't hit, and this is the side that you would hit, and if you hit you fail. You have sufficient room, you stop, put to drive, get all the turns into the left. Now you could turn the wheel while you're moving, but I've seen people on the test who actually hit the curb because they're moving and turning. They hit the gas pedal a little hard, they crash into the curb. So it's best to just get all the turns in, and that's it. And that's how you do a 3-point turn to pass your driving test. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.